This is how I got out of my lazy and unmotivated era using Notion. There was a time when I felt completely stuck. Days would go by and I'd barely get anything done. I was overwhelmed by everything I wanted to achieve but couldn't find the motivation to start. It felt like I was constantly in a slump, watching time slip away without making any progress. This struggle pushed me to explore different strategies to turn things around. Using Notion, I created an organized system that transformed my productivity and motivation. Here are the steps I took. One of the first things I do is set achievable and realistic goals in Notion, whether they are monthly or yearly goals. For this month, my goal is to have a consistent morning and evening routine. Having a structured routine boosts my productivity and well-being. By being clear and setting the objective of my goal, I can stay focused on the specific result, which makes me more motivated to take action. Instead of aiming for massive, intimidating targets, I break down my goals into manageable tasks. For example, I aim to wake up at a consistent time, drink a glass of water after waking up, spend 16 minutes working out, eat a healthy breakfast, and then spend 5 minutes reviewing my daily tasks in Notion. Breaking down goals into actionable steps enhances motivation and making the goal more achievable and easier to track. This way, I can see progress and stay committed. Creating a daily routine made a big difference for me. I realized that having a structured day helped me stay on track. I set a daily schedule in Notion that includes activities like morning routine, workout, breakfast, and shower before starting my day. This sets a positive tone for the rest of my day and motivates me to accomplish tasks, manage my responsibilities, and achieve my goals. I also make sure to schedule time for hobbies and relaxation to reduce stress, avoid burnout, and improve my overall well being. In the evening, I include activities like journaling, daily tracking, and expense tracking. I noticed that my surroundings greatly affected my motivation. A cluttered space made me feel overwhelmed and unproductive. So I took the time to declutter and organize my environment. To stay consistent, I track my daily cleaning routine in Notion. This includes tasks like making my bed, tidying up my workspace, washing dishes, and cleaning the kitchen. At the end of the day, I check off the cleaning tasks I completed. Keeping track of my daily cleaning activities helps me maintain a clean and organized home. A tidy workspace and living area made a significant difference in how I felt and how much I got done. Taking care of myself became a priority. I started incorporating self-care practices into my routine, such as keeping a gratitude journal, following a skincare routine, and eating balanced meals rich in fruits and vegetables. To make sure that I eat balanced, healthy food, I planned my weekly meals in Notion. This helps me save time and ensures that I stick to nutritious choices. I use Notion to plan and manage my self-care activities, including my skincare routine. I schedule my daily, weekly, and monthly skincare tasks to ensure consistent and effective care. When I feel good physically and mentally, it's easier to stay motivated and productive. Lists that became my best friend. I started making to-do lists for everything, from work tasks to personal events in Notion. It kept me organized and provided a clear sense of direction for my day. I also prioritize my tasks. When you just list tasks, everything seems equally important. But when you organize tasks by priority, like high, medium, and low, you become aware of what needs your immediate attention and what can wait. This helps you focus on completing the most important tasks first, keeping you on track with your goals. There's something incredibly satisfying about checking item off a list. It gives you a sense of accomplishment and progress. When you're trying to stop being lazy and unmotivated, having a list helps because it breaks down your day into manageable steps. It's a checkmark represents a small victory, motivating you to keep going and tackle the next task. It's a powerful tool to deal with laziness and providing structure and accountability to your day. I learned that making small changes can lead to significant results. Instead of trying to change everything at once, which can be overwhelming and discouraging, I started with small adjustments. Running my online business alone means there are so many tasks to manage, and skills to learn. I created plan in Notion for social media content so I could post consistently with engaging material. I also dedicated 15 minutes each day to reading industry related articles or books. Small changes are beneficial because they're easier to incorporate into daily life. They help build habits gradually, making it more likely that you'll stick with them. By focusing on small, achievable steps, you can make steady progress toward your goals without feeling overwhelmed. No matter how small, celebrating your progress and rewarding yourself is important. Recognizing my achievements kept me motivated. For instance, when I completed a project or stuck to a new positive habit for a week, I treated myself to my favorite food and scheduled it in my monthly plan in Notion, or I watched my favorite Netflix series. This fueled my motivation to keep going. Celebrating progress is crucial because it helps you feel good about what you've accomplished. It gives you a sense of pride and encourages you to continue working on your goals. By celebrating small successes, you stay motivated and build confidence in your abilities. It also helps you stay focused and prevent burnout by giving you breaks to relax and enjoy your achievements. I know how frustrating it can be to feel stuck in a cycle of laziness and lack of motivation. Trust me, I've been there. But the important thing is to start small and be kind to yourself. Every little step you take is a step forward, and it all adds up over time. Progress might seem slow at first, but keep going. You have the power to change your habits and create the life you want. Believe in yourself, you're capable of more than you think.